Object composition is the term to refer to what we did in the last video. That's when an instance has an attribute that refers to an instance of some other class. So we're going to do the same thing we did in the last video and have this driver attribute over here refer to some person, except this time we're going to create the person in the constructor over here. And instead of just passing the driver over here in the constructor, we're going to pass in all of the attributes for that person. So this is just an alternate way of constructing, a new instance of a different class and assigning it to some attribute. So in the end result, it will be the same. It's just a different way to write the syntax in order to get that same result. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and execute this. This defines a new class. So now I have all of these parameters that I need to set during the car constructor. Okay, so let's go down here and see how we're going to call the constructor now. So the beginning will look the same, but then I'm going to pass in these 5 additional arguments over here. So there's 5 of them, and these will be passed on to the person constructor, which will create that person over here. So let's go ahead and do that. And now we just access the driver in the same way. We could say mycar.driver.first. That's how we get the first name. So we do 2 dots, right? So driver refers to the person. And if we do type mycar.driver, we'll see that it is a person instance. So that's how we do that. And everything else is the same. We can do driver.greet. So it's the same person class. So notice I did not change the person class. I just changed the car class so that it accepted these parameters and created a person here in the constructor. So just an alternate way of doing object composition.